Well, I'm gonna fake them out. They have no feed for them. They usually look for me to feed. You know, guys, what's up? You know what else, come in. Come on. Oh, yeah. There we go. They know I'm not shaking it, they can't hear it, hey?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, When I have my oats.
It's video.
Oh.
Video is it?
When I have my oats, you gotta come over here. I'll take a video. You can compete right out of your pail here. It's so fun. And then they have $5. $4 usually come in.
Yeah.
And one of them will come right up with a big 4-point, and he'll eat right out of the bucket, right in front of you. It's kind of scary when he first walks up to you. But
beautiful.
oh, there's the girl.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Come here. Come on. I'm waiting for the smell of the oats. And I ran out. I fed him before I left on Friday. Hello, girl. Oh, boy. Come here, girl. Come on. Oh, yeah. Okay, smile, please. Come on, girl. Come on. It's okay. Stay here. That's good. They don't chase you enough. They just whatever.
Sally, no.
Sally, stay here. No, no, no.
No, Sally.
Good girl. One of them has chased down a dog. Oh. Just wants to play.
She does actually.